In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Beehiiv URL. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's jump right in. So first things first, let's understand what Beehiiv is. Beehiiv is a fantastic platform for creators and brands to build their newsletters. But sometimes you might want to change your URL. Maybe you've rebranded, or you just want something that's easier for your audience to remember. No worries. I'll guide you through the process step by step. To start off, you'll want to log in to your Beehiiv account. You can do this by visiting the Beehiiv website and entering your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to create one before following along with these steps. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where you manage all of your content. On the left side of the screen, you should see a navigation menu. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the Settings option. It's typically near the bottom of the menu. Go ahead and click on it. After you click on Settings, you'll be led to a new page filled with various options that let you customize your account and your newsletter. What we're specifically looking for here is the Domain or URL section. This is where you will be able to change the address people will use to find your newsletter. Now here's where things can get a little tricky, so pay close attention. In the URL section, you will see your current URL displayed. This is most likely a default URL that Beehiiv has assigned to you when you created your account. Underneath or next to it, there should be an option that says something like Edit or Change URL. Click that. Once you click on it, you'll get a prompt that allows you to type in your desired new URL. Here's a friendly tip. It's always best to choose something that's catchy and easy to remember. Try to pick words that relate to your brand or your newsletter's content. Now remember, not every URL will be available. Beehiiv needs to ensure that every URL is unique to its users. So if the one you want is taken, don't be discouraged. Just try a different variation. It might take a few attempts, but you'll find something perfect for you. After you've found an available URL, go ahead and type it in. Once you're happy with your chosen URL, look for the confirmation button, usually labeled Save or Confirm. Click that, and just like that, you've changed your Beehiiv URL. But we're not done just yet. After you've made the change, it's essential to test the new URL. Open a new browser tab and type in the updated URL. This is just to confirm everything is working smoothly. You should be redirected to your newsletter page without any issues. If you find that the URL isn't working as expected, don't worry. Go back to the settings page and double-check what you entered. Sometimes, a simple typo can be the culprit. Now, let's talk about the implications of changing your URL. If you have previously shared your old URL on social media or other platforms, it's a good idea to update those links as soon as possible. You want to maintain accessibility for your audience, so they can always find your content easily. Lastly, make sure to communicate this change to your subscribers. A friendly message can go a long way in helping them transition to the new link. If you keep them in the loop, they'll appreciate your effort and continue engaging with your content. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Beehiiv URL. It's a straightforward process, but it can truly make a difference in how you connect with your audience. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it for more tips and tricks like these. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.